Hey G, hop on my ride. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to do this makeup in like 15 minutes. Thank you so much Judy Doll for sponsoring this video. I really hope you guys like it.
So Judy Doll just sent me this package and let's open it together.
And make sure to use my code to get a discount on your purchase. So let's get started. Starting off with the base, I'm using the Judy Doll Oil Skin Foundation. I only use 2 pumps to cover my face. For me, base is the key, so make sure to prep your skin well before applying the foundation. The coverage is pretty high, but it's still light on the skin, so it's perfect for daily. I apply thin layer to cover up my face and even out my skin. Make sure to blend it well. I'm using Beauty Blender. Next, I'm using a little bit of concealer for extra coverage, but you can totally skip this part if you don't need it. And then I blend them all together. Using this angled brush, I'm gonna draw my eyebrows. And I use the Play Color All-in-One palette. I don't do much on my eyebrows, I only make them slightly longer. I like natural eyebrows better, so I don't really shape them. I kinda just make sure that they look neat, and I'm done. Next, I'm gonna do the eye makeup. For the eyeshadow, I'm using this color as the base. Next, I'm gonna mix these 2 colors for my main color. First, I apply it on my under eyes. And then I apply it on my eyelids as well. I take a bit of the foundation to lighten up my under eyes. And then I set it with this cream colored eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. This mascara is so good, it's truly smudge proof, so it lasts all day. This mascara really helps to curl my eyelashes, so my eyelashes be looking very pretty. I applied 2 layers, but if you want it longer, you can apply more. I think the key to apply mascara is to do it slowly. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Judy Doll Ultra Fine Liquid Eyeliner. It has a really thin tip. I just slightly elongate the tail of my eyes. This eyeliner will also last up to 8 hours and it has customized ink control, so it won't leak and ruin your makeup pouch. Next, let's do the same with my right eye. I'm using this contour brush to contour my nose. Using the matte highlighter to highlight some parts. I usually put them on the center of my face to give a slightly 3D look. For the blush, I'm using Judy Doll 2-in-1 Blush Highlight Palette. I use this color for the base and applying it on the side of my nose. Then I applied a darker shade to make it more visible. I also love how it's very blendable. I think this color is giving strawberry milk makeup. So if you're trying to find the right shade for that, I highly recommend you this product. Introducing my current favorite highlighter. It has such a fine texture cream. It gives my face 3-dimensional pop, so it's really pretty. I use a small brush to apply it on my under eyes. Apply it a little bit on my inner corners. And on the tip of my nose and slightly on the bridge. Last but not least, lip piece. I'm in love with this lip glaze. It has lip caring formula with watery gel texture. This shade is so natural, I love it so much. And I'm gonna top it off with this one. It has unique metal iron scoop. I'm starting from the inner lip and then blend them outwards. This lip tint is also nourishing and durable. This is the last step and I'm finally done with my makeup. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Feel free to comment down this video if you have any other question. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!